Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change your Binance app to dark mode. Alright, so first up, make sure that your Binance app is up to date. Okay. Now, once that's up to date, open it up, and once you're in here on your dashboard, what you'll do is just go ahead over to the top left, tap on the three horizontal lines. Now go ahead and go to the top right, tap on the gear icon. Now once done, just go ahead and scroll down a bit, and under here, within the appearance section, you have theme. So just tap on theme. And in here we have three options: device setting, light mode, and dark mode. So device setting right here, if your device, okay, or system setting is set to dark mode, well, it will be automatically in dark mode. So if it's not automatic, well, just go ahead and choose dark mode right here. Wait for it to load, and once that's done, you're good to go. All right, that's how easy it is to change Binance to dark mode. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.